Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. My name is Ali SherAz and you're watching my YouTube channel Aleeez Cottage. So you finally got accepted at Spanish universities, and after a long time and bunch of attestation of the documents, you got your Spanish visa and you think that is it to travel to Spain. So let me tell you, this is really not it to travel to Spain, because to travel to Spain you need a luxury, a beautiful accommodation to live there. And booking accommodation in Spain, especially if you're coming to Valencia, it's a cumbersome task. Okay, so if you're coming to Valencia as a student, you might be coming to University of Valencia, which is a public sector in Valencia city. You might be coming to Polytechnic University, which is another good university in Valencia city, or you might be coming to CEU. It's a private medical university. Their medium of instruction is completely in English. So these are the major three universities. There are other medical universities also in Valencia. I have already talked about them in my previous video. If you haven't watched that video, you can go to the description box and you can find the link of that video there. So based on that, we will decide that how to find and how to book a cheap accommodation in Valencia city. We will categorize this video based on your university. Either you are coming to UV, Polytechnic University, CO or Catholic University. So based on that, we will decide the location of your accommodation. So the location which is very close to some cafeterias, some restaurants, and have a vital access to the grocery shops, and especially have a reliable access to the public transportation. And finally, Valencia is famous because of its Mediterranean Sea. So you have to go to the beach also, and I will show you how you can go to the beach from your location too. So the first campus is University of Valencia, Burjassot or Burjassot in Spanish. This is the beautiful pictorial glimpse of the campus, and it is offering different departments, some basic sciences ranging from mathematical sciences, biological sciences, physics, pharmacy, and some engineering programs starting from undergraduate until the PhD studies. And if we talk about the location and how we need to find the spot near to this campus where we have the access of the local transportation, and I will suggest these areas. The recommended one is the Burjassot or Burjassot metro station. The next one also, this is the metro station Burjassot Gudea. These are the points which are also on the Metro Valencia metro station map. So next one is Beni Mamad, San Juan, Beni Ferry, Beni Macleod. So these are just 4-5 stations away from the campus, like in the range of 10 to 15 minutes by the local transportation. So this is somehow these some recommended areas when you want to book your location near Burjassot campus. So when you talk about the next campus, it is Blasco Ibanez campus. It is a major campus where the administration staff of this university is being done. So here is a picture of this campus with this big dome you can see here. And if you talk about the programs they are offering in this campus, they are starting from nursing, medicine, geography, history, psychology, some philosophy, and some physiotherapy. So mainly medical related programs are being offered at this campus. So this is in the main, almost in the city center campus. And now let's talk about the locations and what are the spots which are very near to this campus, so we can avail public transportation there. So if I recommend you some points. They are Cologne Shativa, which is a main city center. Also it's a beautiful spot. There you have a bull fighting spot there, and again it's a Beni Macleod and Amistad, Casa di Salud. These are very posh spots. They are very nice spots in Valencia, and they are known as a Valencia city center. So these three spots which I recommended you, they are just one stop away, 1 or 2 stops away from this campus. This campus is located in the Facultas in the Metro Valencia map. So these are 3 recommended places. There you can book your hotel. So these are some recommended places you can book your hostel or your accommodation there. So now let's talk about the next stop. It is Tarongers campus. It is the newly built campus by University of Valencia. It's a beautiful campus. It is near to the beach, and it is very next to the University of Polytechnic Valencia. And if you talk about the programs and the departments this campus is offering, it is ranging from economics, law, education and social sciences. And again, if you talk about the locations, if you are studying in this campus, you have to find a stop which is very close to this campus. So, and then you have the public transportation there. So I will talk about again Cologne Shativa, Beni Maklat, Amisat, Casa di Salud, Ayora and Aragon. These are some recommended places which are 10 to 15 minutes away from this Tarongers campus. So these are some recommended places according to the 3 campuses of University of Valencia. So now let's talk about Polytechnic University. Again, it is in Tarongers campus, very next to the University of Valencia, 3rd campus. So here is the pictorial glimpse, the picture of the UPV building. And they're offering almost all the departments are in this campus, and it is located in front of UPV campus and very near to the Lacrasca metro station. So it has access to the transportation, of course, and the recommended areas to book your accommodation are again Cologne Shativa, Beni Maklet, Amistad, Ayora, Aragon. So these stations, maybe they will take 5, 10, 15 minutes to reach into this campus. So now let's talk about the final one, CEU Moncada Alfara campus. It is the medical university. It's a private medical university which is offering all the medical departments in this campus, and mostly they are all in English, and they charge you heavy money or the heavy fee for these departments. And if you talk about the location where you will book your accommodation, of course they offer their own accommodation too, but of course you have to get some private accommodation that is more cheaper, and it will depend on the transportation there. So here you have these recommended areas. Again, it is very near to the Burjassot metro station, almost 6-7 stations far from Burjassot, and Burjassot, Godea, Moncada Alfara, Godea, Rocafort, they are even closer to this campus. So these are my suggestion. Of course you can live even in the city center also, but you will take more time to come to the campus, and these recommended places are very near to the public transportation. And the last but not least, it is a crucial step, how to book your accommodation using some reliable and authentic websites. Because so many people, including myself, when I was coming to Valencia, I booked a clumsy, crappy accommodation and I lost my 300 euros. Because before coming to Valencia, it was very hard for me to find the accommodation. I didn't know the location, I didn't know the reliable websites. So this was the reason that I lost a huge amount of money. And right after 1 month of my stay at Valencia, I found a very nice accommodation, and I have already made a video about my accommodation. If you haven't watched that video, you can again go to the description box and you can see that video too. And based on my experience, we will be talking about the authentic websites or authentic means to book your accommodation. But before booking, I will give you one useful and local tip, is that don't pay any single money, any single euro before coming to Valencia. Of course, you can talk to the landlords, you can talk to the owners of the houses, and you can do pre-booking, but you don't have to pay any single penny for that. You can come to Valencia, see physically the condition of the room, condition of the apartment, the situation of the locality around, the modes of transportation you can use from your location to the university. So everything you have to satisfy yourself, and then you should finalize your booking. As I told you, do not finalize your booking, do not pay any money before coming to Valencia. Then the question is, where are you going to stay? So my suggestion is that you can book a temporary space, like using Airbnb or booking.com for 1 week. You can stay there, like it would be cheap, maybe 100 euros, but it will definitely help you to save a lot of money for the rest of your stay at Valencia. So based on my personal experience, I found 2 major websites which are very authentic. The first one, which is more reliable, it is Idealista website. Mostly students are using Idealista because it's a non-profit organization. I will show you how you can find cheap accommodation using Idealista, but before, let me introduce you. It's a non-profit organization. It's just a website. You will put your location in it and you will get the house. You don't have to pay any commission fee, any agent fee. You don't have to pay anything to the website. You will just directly get the mobile phone number number or the email of the landlord. You will directly email them and then you will set the appointment with them. They will show you the housing. Upon your visit, if you see house is feasible and which I mentioned before, they suits you, so then it's time to finalize your booking. And the other way is that Housing Anywhere. But Housing Anywhere is a profit organization. You have to pay some commission fee, some agent fee. It is around 150 to 200 euros depending on your stay and depending on your location, and it is more strict. So based on my personal experience, I will recommend you guys, you can visit Idealista and you can finalize your booking using Idealista because it's a non-profit organization. You don't have to pay any single penny. And throughout the video, throughout this process, I am helping you to save your money. And finally, if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button. This will motivate me to make such a content. And please recommend or share my videos with the students who are coming to Valencia and who are having some difficulty in finding cheap accommodation at Valencia. If you still have any question, any problem, any query in your mind, do not hesitate. You can reach me using Gmail, Facebook, Instagram and other social media sites. I have already given the links in the description box. I will do my best to help you and facilitate you to find a good stay in Valencia. Till the next video arrives, take care of yourself, take care of your families. Remember me in your prayers. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.